Hello, John McConnell here with UpsideDownRealEstate.com and FavoriteRealEstate.com. What you need to know if you have two loans. If you have two loans, you want to make sure that you analyze whether your loans are non-recourse loans or recourse loans before you begin your workout. If you've got non-recourse loans under CCP 580B, some of the lenders actually are now recognizing that fact, and they are more likely to cut a reasonable deal with you. If you've refied your second loan, if you don't have loans protected by CCP 580B, then you probably want to consider getting leverage over your second before you commit to the short sale process or before you get so far in that you can't get out. So I would advise people with two loans to talk to an attorney before they get started and find out what their options are. You may, depending on your assets and how much money you have and your future salaries, you may want to do some sort of forensic loan analysis on your loans to see if you can get some leverage over the lenders that way. You may want to send in a qualified written request under RESPA in order to establish the file, ask them some questions, find out if the lender can actually prove who owns the loans, and then you may want to begin negotiating with that second before you begin negotiating with the first. I think that people who are patient can stop paying on their seconds while they're negotiating with the second, keep paying with their first, and then when they get somewhere with the second, when they either get settled for 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents on the dollar or less, then they can turn their attention to the first loan. Some of our clients have decided to stay in the property. Other clients have then decided to go on and do the short sale with the first. But before you begin a short sale or even a loan mod or attempt a deed in lieu, consider going to work against that second first, especially if your second is one of the lenders that traditionally try to hold out for the deficiency, like B of A and now Countrywide and Citibank and places like Chase who like to hang out for the money. Make sure you have a plan before you begin your short sale if you got assets or you've got a future to protect. If I don't know. I know a lot of people are stressed and want to make quick decisions, but I think you should make good decisions because good decisions may not necessarily, but can lead to much better results. Thanks. Bye.